Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download MT5 Exness on your PC. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for Exness. Scroll down to find the official website and then press on it. We can choose, for example, press on MetaTrader 5. We usually find platforms here and then we can find how to download it, but this is no longer available. So what we need to do is go to Help Center for Exness and then search for download MT5 and then scroll down. We can find installing MT5. Here we can find download for Mac or for Windows. You choose your device and then you press on it. It will open a new link. And then it will download it here. It will start downloading here. And then it is downloaded. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.